These common habits are destroying your skin. Now watch the video to learn more. Did you know that some everyday habits could be secretly harming your skin? From skipping sunscreen to over-exfoliating, these small mistakes can lead to big problems over time. In this video, we'll uncover the surprising habits that might be sabotaging your skin health and share tips to help you glow from the inside out. Don't miss it. Your skin will thank you.
Are you unknowingly damaging your skin? Discover the 7 common habits that could be sabotaging your complexion in our latest blog post. From makeup mishaps to skincare slip-ups, learn how to protect your skin and keep it glowing. Don't let bad habits dull your radiance. Read on to reveal the secrets to healthier, happier skin. Number 1. Sleeping with makeup on. Forgetting to remove your makeup before bed isn't just a beauty blunder. It could spell trouble for your skin. Imagine pores clogged, breakouts running rampant, and a dull complexion. Not exactly the dream, huh? So, let's talk solutions. Each night, treat your skin to some well-deserved care by washing away makeup with a gentle cleanser. This isn't just about cleanliness. It's about letting your skin breathe and renew while you sleep. Your future self will definitely appreciate waking up to a glowing, revitalized face. 2. Not applying sunscreen daily. Don't skip the sunscreen. It's your skin's best defense against sun damage. UV rays don't take a day off even when it's cloudy. So, make SPF 30+ a non-negotiable in your daily routine. Slather it on generously from face to fingertips, and remember to reapply every 2 hours for unbeatable protection against sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Your skin will thank you for the extra TLC. 3. Over-exfoliating. While exfoliation can work wonders for your skin, going overboard can spell trouble. Think irritation, inflammation, and a weakened skin barrier. Not exactly the glow you're aiming for. So here's the deal. Limit your exfoliation to 2 to 3 times a week tops. Look for gentle exfoliants with AHAs or BHAs to buff away those dead cells without wreaking havoc. And after scrubbing, show your skin some love with a hydrating moisturizer to keep it happy and balanced. It's all about finding that sweet spot for radiant, healthy skin. 4. Skipping moisturizer. Don't skip moisturizer. It's a skincare essential, period. Yes, even oily skin craves hydration to stay in check. Skipping it? Cue dryness, flakiness, and sensitivity. Opt for a lightweight, non-clogging formula morning and night. Hydrated skin. Think plump, smooth, radiant. Trust me, your skin will thank you. 5. Picking at your skin. Picking at pimples might seem like a quick fix, but it's a one-way ticket to skin woes. Think inflammation, bacteria spread, and unwanted scars. Skip the picking and go for spot treatments with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to zap those zits. Let your skin do its thing and resist the temptation to poke and prod. Trust me, your skin will thank you later. 6. Not getting enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, including the health of your skin. During sleep, the body undergoes crucial repair and regeneration processes, including the turnover of skin cells and the production of collagen, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. When you don't get enough sleep or experience poor sleep quality, these processes are disrupted, leading to dull, tired-looking skin, dark under-eye circles, and an increased risk of fine lines and wrinkles. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to support your skin's natural repair mechanisms and wake up with a refreshed, radiant complexion. 7. Neglecting nutrition. Your skin's appearance is a reflection of your overall health, and diet plays a significant role in skin health and vitality. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation, oxidative stress, and skin conditions like acne and eczema. On the other hand, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that support healthy skin from the inside out. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals. Choose lean protein sources like fish, chicken, and tofu, and include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, and seeds. Additionally, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to maintain skin moisture and overall hydration levels. By being mindful of these common skincare habits and making positive changes to your routine, you can protect your skin from damage, maintain its health and radiance, and enjoy a glowing complexion for years to come. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your skincare regimen and prioritize self-care for the best results. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to explore our other skincare blog posts for additional insights, tips, and expert advice on achieving and maintaining beautiful, glowing skin. Your skin deserves the best care possible, and we're here to support you on your skincare journey. Visit dreamlies.com to discover more valuable resources and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on skincare trends, product reviews, and skincare routines tailored to your needs. Join our community of skincare enthusiasts and embark on a journey towards healthier, radiant skin. We look forward to guiding you every step of the way.
Your skin deserves the best care, and avoiding these common mistakes is the first step toward a healthier, glowing complexion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with friends, give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips and advice. Let's work together to achieve radiant, happy skin.